Welcome to Tampa's Christmas Boat Parade. Every December, the Hillsborough River turns into a glowing highway of holiday cheer. Boats of all shapes and sizes compete to outshine each other, and the whole city comes together to celebrate. The history of this unique event traces back to the community's love for boating and its desire to create a family-friendly celebration that captures the magic of Christmas in a distinctly Floridian way. The origins of the parade can be traced to the late 20th century, when a small group of Tampa Bay residents decided to decorate their boats with holiday lights and cruise along the Hillsborough River. What began as a modest gathering of neighbors quickly gained popularity, attracting more participants and spectators each year. By the early 2000s, the event had grown into an organized annual celebration. Over the years, the Tampa's Christmas Boat Parade has become a symbol of city's vibrant holiday spirit. The parade begins at the southern tip of Davis Island. Boats line up in order, ready to launch. Spectators gather along the riverwalk, on bridges, and in nearby parks. Some even watch from their own boats. As the parade heads north, boats pass the cave viewing spots like Curtis Hickson Waterfront Park and Waterworks Park. Judges are positioned at specific spots along the road. They evaluate boats in categories such as Best Decorated, Most Festive Theme, and Most Creative Display. Santa often makes an appearance on one of the lead boats, setting the festive tone for the evening. Thank you for watching till the end. See you next time.